Yeah.
And it's Papa.
I already tried it. Obviously, going to wear it, I have no idea.
Julia's saying that you start with. And after you've got to make it run through your body. Like, you know what Polly did?